Premiere's new color mode is crazy. Why? 4 years ago, I shot this entire music video in 30 minutes in Australia on a cheap camera in an alley with flat lighting with zero depth, zero lighting control, and the original footage looked like this. 2 minutes ago, I just graded it to this. Here's how. The secret behind Premiere's new color mode is Object Mask, a highly intelligent, AI-powered rotoscoping system running locally with smooth real-time tracking, built directly in your color workflow, which means that we aren't just dealing with color grading anymore, this is semantic isolation. And what does that mean? It means that I'm not limited to simply selecting specific pixel color values anymore, like the color of a shirt or a hat. I'm selecting and identifying and separating the actual objects first, and then adjusting the colors inside of them. So watch this. I took my full edit and I exported it into one baked clip. I then re-imported that clip into my timeline and then clicked that subject once, not per shot, not per angle, once. I clicked my subject once. And Premiere tracked him across actual cuts in the edit, and then across perspective shifts, and then across lighting changes as well, because Premiere understands that this is the same person in every single shot. This is wild. And this is where color grading starts to feel like compositing, because again, I can treat/grade the subject and the background as two separate layers. For the background, I blue shifted it and then brought down the exposure. For the subject, I lifted the exposure, increased the contrast, and boosted the saturation. And just like that, in post, I created depth that didn't originally exist at all in one software with 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 clicks. Hey, what's up guys? I'm filming this a couple days later. If you're interested in like a ultimate color mode guide, I actually just made one. It's about 12 minutes. It will literally teach you the ins and the outs, front to back, as far as Premiere's new color mode. Check it out in the description below. Thanks guys.